The women cricketers have a loyal fan base not only for their prowess in the sport but also for their looks. Glamour goes hand in hand for the lady cricketers. The cricket crazy nation is also gaga about their lady superstars. Let us look at the 10 most beautiful Indian women cricketers. Smriti Mandhana. Smriti Mandhana is the crush for guys around the world. With her looks, this lady cricketer has stolen the hearts of many youngsters. She is an active member of Team India and also taken part in the Women's World Cups. The girl from Maharashtra has featured in Maharashtra under 15 and 19 team. Smriti had made her first international appearance for both limited overs formats around 7 years back. The prolific batswoman has been an active part of Team India. The left-handed batswoman has also featured in several international leagues. Smriti has won international awards and recognition. The Marathi Mulgi has many fans around the world both for adoring looks. Mithali Raj. Mithali Raj is counted as one of the best cricketers of all time, not even in India but around the world as well. She is an opening batswoman and a right-hander. It is no surprise that the Tamil girl who had an Air Force background went on to score the highest runs in international cricket. She still has an unbeaten record of 6,000 runs in the 50-over format. Having received several awards and recognitions, however, the most prestigious awards are the Arjuna Award and Padma Shri in 2003 and 2015. The Tamil lady has played international cricket in all three forms. She has a huge fan following and despite the controversies around her, she remains the heartthrob of many youngsters. Priya Punia. This beautiful lady cricketer made her first 20-over international appearance on 6 February 19 against the Kiwis. Priya is a right-hander. The dashing women cricketer played her first 50 overs game against the Proteas last year. She has been a regular in the Indian squad and capped for Team India for 127 ODIs and 61 T20Is since her international debut. This small towner from the Jaipur is sure to turn heads for the way she plays and for her attractive looks too. Harmanpreet Kaur. A prolific all-rounder, Harmanpreet Kaur is an amazing cricketer. Kaur hails from the land of Punjab and has a lot of gusto when it comes to attacking cricket. Kaur is the captain of Team India in the 20-over format. She is the fastest Indian woman cricketer to have a 100-plus score at the prestigious World's T20 Internationals. Harmanpreet was selected for the Indian team in the 20 overs and 50 overs format 9 years back. In 2013, Kaur was given the role of the skipper of Team India. Her looks and sporting spirit makes her have a loyal fan base. Harleen Deol. Harleen Kaur Deol, a fiercely attacking right-handed batswoman, is a young and talented cricketer. This girl from Himachal Pradesh also occasionally bowls right-arm leg spin. Harleen possesses good looks and exceptional cricketing skills. She has many fans in youngsters and a huge social media following as well. The girl from the land of mountains made her first 50 overs international appearance last year. She debuted for the 20 overs format in the same year and against the same opponent. She was also named for Team India in ICC Women's T20 World Cup. The Himachali cricketer is also known for her dashing looks. Veda Krishnamurthy. The beautiful and talented Veda Krishnamurthy is famous in the country for her daunting looks and cricketing skills. Coming from a small town of Karnataka, little did her parents know that she would represent India in the international format. She started her training at the tender age of 13 in Cricket Academy, Bengaluru. Veda lead President 11 in the first ever exhibition match from between KSCA President 11 versus KSCA Secretary 11. Veda is also one of the few cricketers to be selected for international franchise-based cricket for women. Neha Tanwar. The girl from Narayana, New Delhi was a praiseworthy cricketer in her times. She was a regular in the national women's Indian cricket team. Tanwar was a star performer in the domestic circuit back in 2004. This made her gain accolades and she was finally selected for Team India in 2011. To much surprise, she has also been a national level volleyball player before entering and taking the cricketing world by storm. She had a keen interest in sports and was guided and well supported by her parents. Mona is a sight to behold and enjoys the stardom both on and off field. Mona Meshram. Mona Meshram is the first woman cricketer to represent India from the Vidarbha region. The lady cricketer is known for her batting style and good looks. Apart from being exceptionally talented, she is known for being grounded and always remembers her roots. To much surprise, she has also been a national level volleyball player before entering and taking the cricketing world by storm. She had a keen interest in sports and was guided and well supported by her parents. Mona is a sight to behold and enjoys the stardom both on and off field. Tanya Bhatia. Tanya Bhatia from Punjab is a wicketkeeper batsman for Team India. She has had 15 one-day international and 49 T20 international appearances for the national team. She has also played for Punjab and North Zone before representing India at the international level. When the young girl was in her college, she had got trained from Yogaraj Singh. Currently, she is getting trained from the former Indian pacer, R.P. Singh. She joined Punjab under-19 team at 11 years and been a part of the state senior team in 16 years. Both the accolades are a record in itself. Tanya made her international debut of T20I and ODIs 2 years back. The Punjabi girl was also selected for the T20 World Cup squad for India in 2020. She is among the 5 breakout stars of 2018 according to ICC. She has many followers on the social media platform and a loyal fan base in youngsters. Jemimah Rodriguez. Jemimah from Bhandup, Maharashtra is a current member of Team India. She has a liking for sports from an early age and has participated in other sports as well. It is an interesting fact that Jemimah had also been a hockey player for her state at the national level. She had also represented Maharashtra in the under-17 and 19 levels. Along with the talented Mandhana, she is the second player to have a 200-plus score in the 50-over format. The Mumbai girl is famous amongst youngsters for her impeccable batting and good looks.